So it's currently 7:30, and we were supposed to leave at 7:30. That's alright. We're repacking the car. Dad is taking off the roof box to the Tesla. And we're bringing our skis to the gun skiing.
You're breaking my heart. You're shaking my confidence, baby. Oh, Cecilia, I'm down on my knees. I'm begging you, please, to come home. Making love in the afternoon. Cecilia, up in my bedroom. Making love, I got up to wash my face. When I come back to bed, someone's taking my place. Cecilia.
Random friends. Wakes up in a Tesla. Literally have to keep charging every 30 minutes. I'm supposed to be in Boise at 3:30 to 4 to have lunch with Kelly, and then it's gonna be only 2 or 3 hours before we get to the call.
People come up here to get a little cooler.
Crying never did nobody no good, no how. That's why I don't cry. That's why I don't cry. Laughing sometimes does somebody some good somehow. That's why I'm laughing now. That's why
But not really.
I'm laughing now.
Alright, we are about to leave for Oregon. Our destination is Mount Hood, where we're going to ski tomorrow. We had a lot of fun in McCall yesterday, and now we're about to start driving again.
That's why I can't love you now. Lying never did nobody no good, no how, no how. So why is lying now. So why am I lying now?
It's so bright. We made it to Mount Hood. We're waking up in about 6 hours to go skiing in July. Good night! Bit of good day. Breakfast of Champions in the great state of Oregon. Dad, what flavor did you get?
Raspberry.
Raspberry. Great mixed berry. Oh yeah. We forgot. Yeah, we're oh, now the car's blocking it. Should let you in, right?
Oh, you guys have been there?
Yeah, she and I went. We did a motorhome cycling trip where she and I did day trips to different Oregon scenic bikeways.
Oh, right. This was a couple years ago?
Yeah. And then one of them was in Sisters.
From Oregon Rest Stop. On the main stage. Closing.
Now she's walking backwards.
Oakland, California. Looks the same.
And I'm stuck
Mount Shasta.
in the shadows.
I need it to dry actually.
Turn it on video. Burn crusty.
Anyways, we are in Yosemite. We got here about 1 a.m. and we're gonna get up and grab some coffee.
We should probably eat breakfast on the way there and just have coffee on the way.
I'll be hungry when we get back from coffee. Plus, I don't want to eat with the yogurt. I don't have to get it somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna go on a big long hike today to go see some waterfalls with some views of like Half Dome and stuff. And then, yeah. Plan for breakfast. Cherries. Yogurts. Oh, do you remember where Silverware's in there?
Right, good.
Is Silverware left? I can't tell. Is it doing anything? No, it is. Okay. Dad and I are stopped at this river. We're having PB&J. Yep. We're like 3 miles in? 2.5 miles?
$2.6.
2.6. It was like a 6.4 loop or something, I think, on all trails. So probably just a little bit more of uphill, and then we'll start heading back downhill. We just swam in the waterfall again at a little pool, and now we're above. Crazy!
I wanna ride your wave again. Don't
was near the mountain, silly. Scoot back.